Hello and welcome to another one of the geekadvisor.co.nr Geek tutorials. This week's Geek tutorial is a follow-on from the last couple of tutorials about batch files. This particular one is on deleting batch files. What this means is you can set a batch file to delete a file. And the good thing about this is if you have a preconceived idea of the file you want to delete, and say you have a fear that someone has breached into your network and posted a virus on several computers, but you understand that they didn't have time to put it on all of them. This is especially useful because you can set it to delete a file and it will check, and if the file is not there, then obviously it won't delete it, but if the file is, it won't, and rather than coming up with loads of error messages, it will just continue. Okay, so we'll get started then. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is open up Notepad. You don't need the command prompt yet. If you don't know how to open the command prompt, go to Start, Run if you're on an older system, and just type in CMD and then hit Enter. Okay. So the first thing you're going to start off with, now this is not essential, but I always do it anyway. At echo off. This basically tells the computer don't display the commands I'm typing. Right, and then you can say, I don't know, you can do it as a little program if you want. Echo wiping virus off the computer. Okay. And then you type in pause. Now this will mean that to continue they have to click, so they have definitely read that message or at least seen it. And then you simply start del, short for delete, it's all shortened obviously, and then whatever you want. So now if I just make another file, I just open up Notepad again and I'll just say, it's not a virus, I'll just say Bob Marley, and we'll call it save as, and we'll call it Bob Marley. Bob Marley, and yeah, we'll save it in Dropbox. No, we won't actually. Yeah, Bob Marley should work in there. And we go delete Bob Marley. Right, and then you save as always. We're saving the same folder. You don't have to. It can be anywhere on the computer as long as it's looking in the C drive. So we just double check that actually before we carry on. Make sure that it's only going to delete the file in the C drive. So save as, and we'll save it as delete.bat. And then also make sure you select all files, otherwise it wouldn't save. And as you see, there's loads of stuff in there. Right, okay, so that's saved. So now, if we open up this and we go to Dropbox, you can see it's here, delete. So let me just make the full screen, and there is Bob Marley. So we will go for delete. Press any key. Now I did this as an example to show you, as you can see after I've clicked, it actually does nothing. It does not delete the file because in the delete file I did not type the file extension .txt because it's Notepad. So it didn't delete it, but rather than coming up with a load of error message and a beeping noise and all that kind of stuff you would normally get if you try to delete with other programs, it's just simply shut down. Okay, so we'll carry on now. Okay, we're actually going to have to make it .txt. So save it, run it, enter. There you go, it's disappeared. So always make sure you you add the file extension at the end of it, like that was .txt. So that's pretty much it, and you can do multiple files as well. Delete will make the file delete itself, so you can do it. So once it's deleted, the virus, you can delete the program, you don't need it. That. Save. There you go. It's completely deleted itself. So basically you go delete whatever, Bob Marley, I did, and then delete the name of the file, .bat, always make sure you add the extensions, and that's it, pretty simple. And for those of you who don't already know, I'd just like to point out something on the website. Go to news. A lot of people have been asking me about this. On the news page we update regularly, so every time a new video, that kind of thing, the shop open, Twitter, the app, the toolbar, Google app, Facebook hacking, etc, etc, etc. You can donate, and of course there's all the things here for you to click on. Okay, so from all of us here at thegeekadvisor.co.nr, thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe. We hope you enjoy our next videos. Thank you.